Welcome to Asyn Code. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Hey everyone. Today, let's dive into Java modifiers. In Java, modifiers are special keywords that define how classes, methods, variables, and constructors behave. There are two main types: access modifiers and non-access modifiers. Access modifiers like public, private, protected, and the default, no modifier, control who can access the class or its members. On the other hand, non-access modifiers like static, final, abstract, and synchronized define things like whether a method can be overridden, if a variable is constant, or if a method is thread safe. Modifiers are super important because they help you control the flow of your program and make your code more organized and secure. This is our person class, and we will be using Java modifiers here to control access to the fields and methods. Public modifier allows this field to be accessed from anywhere in the program. This means that we can freely access name from other classes. Private modifier restricts access to this field to just this class, person. It cannot be accessed directly from outside the person class. This is great for encapsulation. Protected modifier means this field can be accessed within the current class, person. Any subclass of person, and classes in the same package. It is not as open as public but more accessible than private. Final modifier makes this field immutable. Once it is initialized, it cannot be changed. Birthdate is locked in and cannot be reassigned later. It is a constant. Constructor. This method is called when we create a new person object. Notice, no modifiers on the constructor. It has default access, for example, package private. We use the this keyword to differentiate between instance variables and constructor parameters. The public modifier means this method can be accessed from anywhere in the program. We can call this method from other classes and print the person's details. Accessing the public name field. Accessing the private age field via the constructor. Accessing the protected address field. Accessing the final, immutable birth date field. Static methods are a little different. They do not belong to an instance of the class. They belong to the class itself. Static methods can be called without creating an object. Know this keyword needed because static methods don't access instance variables. We do not need an object of person to call this static method. We can directly call person.staticExample without creating a person object. Main method to run the program and demonstrate the modifiers. Creating a new person object. Constructor will set up all the fields. Calling the displayDetails method. This method is public, so we can call it freely. This will print the person's details. Calling the static method, which is part of the class, not any object. No need to create a person object for this. Now run our code. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and hit subscribe for more content.